I've been using the Beduro Handguards for about 9 months now, and thought I'd make a review video. If you haven't seen the install video of the Beduro Handguards, I made one when I first got them. I'll put a link in the description of this video in case you want to watch it. I'm also using the bar ends by Beduro. These have proved excellent. I haven't crushed my fingers at all. As you can probably see, even if a tree gets in here, this pretty much stops any hit on your fingers. So highly recommend getting the bar ends as well if you get the handguards. They've stood up really well. I've dropped my bike loads of times, and as you can see, there's some scratches, but they last really well. I am using threaded inserts into my bars. I recommend doing that to stop them moving and pulling out. The guards themselves, the only change I made is I swapped over to the vented design. My riding buddy Phil got the vented ones, and I like their design, plus they're a little bit flatter. The original ones, they kind of bend back a bit, and you get limited space between your levers. So I just fitted these. This is actually the first ride with the vented design, and you can see a good 1 finger of space between the lever and the guard. With the original ones, there was virtually no space, even with this spacer. The mount themselves far exceeded my expectation. I thought I'd bend them at some time, but they've stood up really well, very robust. In a couple of heavy crashes, they did move slightly, just loosen off and readjust, no problem at all. The guards themselves, the original ones, still in perfect condition. They've got a few scrapes here, but no breakage, and yeah, they really have far exceeded my expectation. They provide really good protection if you hit a tree, and they do flex, so when you hit it, you do feel a little bit of a jolt, but nothing like a solid handguard, and it doesn't shove you off the trail. Yeah, I mean, they're a simple design, but they're very robust, and I really like them. Also allows you to easily let go of the bike. There's no chance of you getting your hand caught in there, or if your arm falls down, it can pop out. So I think a lot of people complain about the bark buster design, which can break your wrist if you fall over. It's not going to happen with these. But way stronger than any other open flag style handguard I know of. So yeah, I still love these. Gonna carry on riding with them. If I do have any issues, which I don't expect I will after 9 months of hard enduro mountain style riding, I'm not expecting to break anything, but if I do, I'll report out on that. But if you're considering some handguards flag style, highly recommend these. They're not cheap. They're made in Canada, but yeah, they're not cheap, but they do last very well. So I can highly recommend them. And this is the front view of the guards. You can see there's multiple holes, so you can shift the position. And I've got the left and right ones. You can see there's 2 holes here. There's only 1 there, because of where my clutch lever is and brake lever, etc. I've had to offset them to get an equal distance. So very flexible design. You could even drill extra holes if need be. But yeah, good design. And the mount itself also has 2 positions. I'm using it on the inner one. You could use it on the outer one and shift the guard in further.